Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Support. I'm Nanxiao, and today we are going to learn about the Pathfinder tools in Adobe Illustrator. So today we are going to use the Adobe Illustrator to make a coffee shop logo and create paper texture effects. So the first thing is to create a new artboard for your project. Click File and then click New. Then there's a window that pops up. Since I want my logo to be printed, I'm gonna click Print and choose Letter. And I will name it as I just put my name here. And click Start. So now we can do the coffee logo on this white letter size paper. And on the left side, we can see the rectangular tool here. And if you hold down the left click, and you can see like more options here. So I'm going to use the Ellipse Tool in order to draw a coffee cup. And remember, you can always use Command Z to undo anything. So hold Shift and use your mouse to draw a perfect circle. Then draw an oval as the rim of the cup. Then let's draw the cup handle. Use the Ellipse Tool and hold Shift to draw a perfect circle. And click Command C and Command F to paste and copy this, like the circle. And we will make the second circle smaller than the first one. So basically we are making a ring here. Yeah. And use the vector tool to select both of them. And click the Pathfinder and minus front. However, since I just want the right part of the circular ring, I'm going to remove the left half of this ring. So I'm gonna use the rectangular tool to cover the left part of the circular ring, and use the vector tool to select both the rectangular and the ring, and click minus front. So now we just have the right part of the ring, and we can make it smaller and put it here. And we can also rotate it a little bit. So now, yeah, we finished the cup's handle. What's more, in order to make the cup more beautiful, I'm going to add a shadow on the cup by using the pen tool. So you just click at like the start point, and then click again at the end point. Then drag it, and then click the start point again, and then drag it. So you can also make it bigger and move it to, yeah. And then let's do and lastly, we want to add color to this logo, and I'm going to use the darker brown for the cup and the holder, and then I'm using the lighter brown for the coffee and for the shadow. I will choose this color. Now we finished the first part of this project, which is to draw the coffee cup, and then we're going to finish the second part, which is to write the name of the coffee shop. So use the type 2 and click. So I will write 子墨 here. It's just the name of the coffee shop, and I can, and then I can make it bigger or rotate it. And the third part of this project is to create a watercolor texture for the coffee inside the cup as well as the text. So firstly, we need to download a free texture from the internet, and I recommend you to download an image from the Pixabay.com, Pixabay.com. And in order to save time, I already downloaded some texture from this website. So let's get started. Click File and click Place. I'm going to find my water texture here and place. So it's pretty big here, and we're going to make it smaller. So we click the range and send it to back, and using the selection tool, hold the shift to select both the texture and the coffee. And now we're going to make the clipping mask. Right click, making clipping mask. And if you still want to change the color, for example, move it or rotate it or make it bigger, you can double click the texture. And then you can adjust it, like make it bigger or move it. And so last but not least, we also want to make the paper texture effect on the text 子墨 here. File, Place, and click, choose the one we want to use. I will make it smaller, and then click Arrange, Send to Back, so you can see the text clearly. Hold the Shift and select both the texture and the text, and making a clipping mask. And so if you still want to change the texture, for example, move it or make it bigger, you can also double click it to change it, and then left click, paste isolate mode, and then you can finish it. So now we finished the coffee logo. So this has been tech support. Thanks for watching and good luck for the project.